Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to see the interview questions on the full pyramid. How you can create a full pyramid using the Java coding, right? So if you see here, this is the full pyramid, right? So first you need to decide like for how many rows you want to create a full pyramid, right? So in this case, you can understand this is the 5 rows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for each row, how many star you want to put over here, correct? So to create this, first you will have to decide the number of spaces that you want to go to the right, and then you need to print a star. So if you see here, the first time 4 spaces, second time third, you know, second is third space, third row 2 space, and the single space. So this is how we have to write a logic. So you must understand the prerequisite to understand the logic is you should know the for loop, the concepts of for loop, and the while loop. So guys, if you have come to the channel first time, please subscribe my channel, likes and share. So let's see this. So the first loop will be to number of rows. Second loop will be, to the moving the space, and the third while loop will be to printing the star. So 3 things you should know. So if you see here, I have decided the row is equal to 5 means up to the 5 rows, I want to create a full pyramid structure, right? And this k is equal to 0 is for, to having a space to go to the right and the print where you should print the star, right? So if you see here, I int I is equal to 1 less than I less than is equal to row means 5 times it will go over here, and k is equal to 0 to moving to the space. If you see here, the second loop is for moving the space, right? A space is equal to 1, a space less than is equal to row minus 1 means 4 times we have to go, right? So after moving the space and completing, we move to the data space, and thereafter, this is while loop to exactly, okay, the printing the star. So how long we have to print the star? This will defined by this while loop, right? And after printing the star, if this for loop and while loop it gets completed, then we have to go to the next line. And again, the same thing will get executed. If you run this program, okay, you'll be getting this output. So for better understanding, you can write this code and you can debug this code, you can put a breakpoint and start seeing, trace the program first manually in the, maybe in the notepad, and then you can do the practice. So this is the one of the most important, the question also generally you will get between the 0 to 5 level of experience. The interviewer wants to understand how much logical you are strong. Okay, so you should know this. So other kind of question could be creating a full pyramid using the number. So the same logic, right? So row is equal to 5, k is equal to 0, but these two things is for incremental, like 1, 2, 3, 4, how these things will get incremented, right? If you run this code, first run this. If you see here, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is how you are creating a pyramid structure using this. So the number printing is up to you to decide how you want to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By the way, you create a pyramid, or this is how you want to look like. If you see here, go diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you will see. If you come to the right diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you are seeing. If you see this, if you see the middle center 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, this is the adding the 2 number, right? So if you want to create such kind of pyramid, you will have to write this logic, the same thing, 2 for loop and 1 while loop. But the way you have to write, okay, like first time we'll be printing 1, second time 2, 3, then again 2, right? So for that only we have minus this, right? You see here, we have minus this after printing that, right? And space, correct? This is the one to print it out. So this is how we can create a pyramid, full pyramid using the star and using the number. So thanks you guys. Thanks for watching this channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. And go to the next video if you have a time to see the other important interview question. Thank you.